sertifikat dengan syarat Bapak Ibu mengisi link presensi yang nantinya akan dibagikan, mengisi form presensi yang linknya nanti akan di-share oleh Ibu Tati. Masuki sesi tanya jawab. Jadi Bapak Ibu tetap stay di room meeting kita malam hari ini, mengikuti materi dengan tema Weekly for Education yang akan di sana dan Ci Hugo. Selanjutnya Bapak Ibu mohon kesediaannya untuk tidak mengklik icon raise hand sebelum sesi tanya jawab kami buka. Jadi Bapak Ibu nanti setelah mengikuti materi mohon untuk tidak bertanya apakah ada link materi. Insya Allah kalau ada nanti pasti diberikan oleh Hugo atau Miss Ana, kami akan segera share di room chat. Jadi tetap aja memantau room chatnya Bapak Ibu. Dan sekiranya Bapak Ibu ada hal-hal yang ingin ditanyakan terkait pemaparan materi kita pada malam hari ini, nanti di sesi tanya jawab Ibu Satri akan memberikan kesempatan kepada Bapak Ibu untuk bertanya. Yang ada gangguan audio biasa Bapak Ibu pertanyaannya ditanyakan dalam bahasa yang biasa ada yang bertanya apakah pakai bahasa
Winda
Bapak Ibu ingin bertanya sambil nih. Bapak Ibu ingin bertanya dalam bahasa Indonesia, nanti ada Ibu Satri yang akan membantu menyampaikan pertanyaan Bapak.
Cibugo sudah bergabung dan waktu sudah menunjukkan 8 lebih 7 menit waktu Indonesia Tengah. Mungkin sudah bisa mulai. Ibu Satri. Halo Ibu Satri.
Halo Bunda Satri. Bisa mantau nggak Bunda Satri ya? Bunda Satri bisa monitor?
di unmute dulu mikrofonnya Bu Satri.
Halo. Halo Ibu Satri.
Cek Google, ini cek Google.
Ya, seperti ada gangguan.
Sepertinya ada gangguan Pak.
Iya, nanti di set dulu. Ini cek Google sebagai presenternya, Winda.
Oke, mungkin jaringannya yang kurang bagus. Karena mungkin jaringannya yang kurang bagus.
Iya. Coba di set cek Google dulu untuk bisa share screen.
Ya, guru ke Malaysia ya cek Google.
Ya sudah loh. Halo, selamat malam Cik Gugo.
Halo, selamat malam.
Iya, apa kabar Cik Gugo?
Kabar baik. Apa kabar? Terima kasih.
Kedua kalinya lagi ya Cik Gugo di Sultra Cerdas untuk yang kedua kalinya ya.
Ya, terima kasih atas dan uang diberi. Maaf, saya tadi ada masalah. Terima kasih. Arudin atas bantuan.
Cik Gugu, coba saya screen Cik Gugu ini. Saya sudah coba share screen-nya.
Boleh. Udah ada.
Saya serahkan ke Pak Bahar kalau begitu karena Ibu Satri ini. Oh ya, ada Satri. Halo Bu Satri. Halo Bu Satri. Bunda Satri bisa dengar suara saya? Halo Pak Bahar.
Hai, ini dari tadi kayaknya kurang bagus koneksi.
Iya, ini kita sudah bisa
Jelas, suara saya bisa nggak?
Suara sudah jelas.
Halo.
Pak Bahar, ini saya alihkan ke Bunda Satri atau bagaimana nih untuk merekam?
Halo.
Kayaknya di Bunda Indah aja, Bu.
Putus suaranya.
Iya, tidak apa-apa kalau begitu nanti hostnya ini biar
Saya mau coba virtual background tapi
ya, Bunda Satri sudah bisa kita mulai?
kayaknya jangan saya yang merekam deh.
Nanti saya yang rekam Bunda Satri. Jadi Bunda Satri memandu, nanti saya yang melakukan rekaman. Jadi role saya saja karena yang melakukan perekaman itu host. Nanti Bunda Satria yang memandu. Saya merekam aja dari sini. Bisa? Kedengaran Bun?
Ini suara saya masih putus-putus saya dengar suaranya.
Jelas.
Bisa kita mulai ya.
Ya, suaranya
Saya problem terus ini networknya.
ya nanti ada Pak Bahar yang bisa backup. Pak Bahar backup host ya.
Oke.
Silakan kita mulai.
Saya mulai ya.
Ya.
Oke. Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Yeah, good morning, good day, good evening for all the participants and the great presenters. First off, I'd like to say happy first anniversary for Sultra Cerdas dengan wonderful motonya, roughly translated into English, always learning, always sharing. Kayaknya perlu applause dulu mungkin ya buat Sultra Cerdas. Special congrats juga buat the founder of Sultra Cerdas, one of my long-time best friend, brother Baharudin, SPD MPD ya. So we wish you many more achievements for more years to come. Okay. It's so wonderful to see how enthusiastic in buat great journals. Kemudian this international webinar by Sultra Cerdas is hosting two great speakers, educators, innovators, trainers from two great countries, Malaysia and Russia. So I'd like to welcome who's the first speaker? Mr. Goh Kok Ming, right?
Yep.
So I hope I didn't mispronounce the name.
Yeah, you
So Mr. Goh Kok Ming, atau mungkin saya panggil
Google sudah.
Thank you. So saya panggil Mr. Ming boleh? Cek Goh. Oke. Okay. Okay. So a brief introduction. Chef Goh Kok ya. Chef Goh is a Indian currently serving in SJKC Chicheng 2, Perak, Malaysia. Mr. Cek ya. Saya suka lupa. Cikgu Goh.
Yeah.
Is also an edutech educator who is passionate in integrating integrating technology in teaching and learning. He is also a Wakelet ambassador and also a Kahoot ambassador. So let's welcome and say hi to our first great speaker, Cikgu Goh Kok Ming. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Yeah, can you hear my sound loud and clear?
Right.
Yeah, a very good evening from Malaysia.
Yeah,
Okay, a
it's
very
very clear.
good. Yes, thank you. Okay, a very good.
Awesome.
A very good evening to Miss Anna.
So it's evening. It's evening.
Yeah, it's evening now. Yeah, it's about. Maybe I'm not quite
Great.
right because good night will be going to sleep.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Thank you for your great opportunity to invite me
Okay.
to the regular video. Yep. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me.
Sounds clear.
Awesome. So,
Okay.
let's
Thank
see.
you.
Hello. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, Chick.
I also would like
Miss
to welcome
Anna
Anna
Kacep.
Kacep. Hello, Miss Anna. Are you there? Hello.
Yeah, I heard it. Hello, how are you?
Great. Thank you. Happy anniversary, everybody.
Awesome. Great, thank you. So, Miss Anna is a primary and secondary English teacher. She's a storytelling fan. She is also a certified Microsoft expert and trainer. She's a Wakelet ambassador, student voice ambassador from of Grid, and she's also the winner of E2, which is a tech field challenge by Microsoft in Sydney, Australia. So then, please welcome and say hi to Miss Anna from Asia.
Wow. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thanks, everyone.
So, without further ado, I'd like to invite. Okay, cool. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to invite Cikgu to start the presentation. Time is yours.
Thank you for your. Hi, Miss Anna. Thank you. Hi, Miss Anna. Meet you.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, nice to meet you. First time we share the platform.
I'm so excited.
Thank you. Miss.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Thank you. And in the between, explain
in bahasa Melayu, so
I will explain it.
good night.
You can, Ray.
Okay. Now let me start first. After all, I will pass the floor to you. Okay? Sound great?
Okay, great.
Alright. Okay. Selamat sejahtera dan selamat petang saya ucap dari Malaysia. Sebelum mula, tuan-tuan dan puan boleh nampak saya tak?
Yes. Sini udah nampak.
Bagus.
Okay, terima kasih. Saya takut saya tak nampak kan? Okay, sekejap. Saya sharekan screen. Okay, hari ini kita adalah Wakelet. Dia merupakan satu platform yang pertama. Kejap ni mengganggu sangat. Okay, kejap Okay. Okey, dia merupakan satu platform percuma untuk membolehkan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, terutamanya kita sebagai cikgu ataupun kita sebagai educators dan sama murid untuk bersimpan, mengurus dan membentang dan berkongsi maklumat secara atas tarian ataupun kita guna internet. Okey, jadi macam mana kita lebih tahu dengan Wakelet, apa kegunaannya, bagaimana kita nak guna untuk Wakelet kan? Saya izinkan saya terangkan dalam 3 langkah yang mudah. Yang pertama, kita boleh gunakan Wakelet untuk bookmark apa-apa pun yang kita rasai, kita suka, kita minat dan kita nak simpan untuk rujukan pada masa depan. Okey, jadi apakah kandungan yang boleh kita nak simpan? Kalau kita nak simpankan bahan daripada laman sesawang ataupun web, kita boleh simpankan articles, kita boleh simpankan video, kita boleh simpankan blog, kita boleh simpankan Twitter ataupun documents dan banyak lagi. Kita boleh bookmark apa yang kita boleh dapat daripada online. Bagaimana? Nanti izinkan saya sikit untuk buat demo dan bagaimana kita nak daftarkan akaun Wakelet untuk percuma, free of charge. Okey? Dan bukan itu saja. kita boleh guna Wakelet untuk mengurus. Kita boleh mengurus dan kita boleh berkongsi dengan kawan-kawan dalam kaedah ataupun dalam cara yang sistematik, dengan cara yang macam mana orang kata moden lah sikit kan. Okey, kita boleh masukkan gambar, boleh masukkan teks dan boleh masukkan kandungan-kandungan yang lain untuk menjadikan kita koleksi kita lebih bermakna, lebih menarik. Contohnya boleh kita nampak di sini, kita boleh masukkan ancient Rome tentang video discussion dan sebagainya. Itu memudahkan saya. Nanti saya akan tunjukkan koleksi saya. Mungkin nanti boleh lihat yang koleksi Miss Anna. Miss Anna, later on you will show us your collection. I'm pretty sure it will be very wonderful. Okay. So, langkah yang kita, selain daripada kita mengurus, mendapatkan bahan, kita juga boleh berkolaborasi dan berkongsi dengan kawan-kawan lain. Itu yang penting. Baru-baru ini sekiranya tuan-tuan perempuan ada ikut Wakelet, perkembangan Wakelet, tuan-tuan perempuan akan mengetahui kita dah ada Wakelet space. Kita boleh kongsikan dan pada waktu yang mulia ni, dalam hari yang mulia ni, saya dah sedia satu space agar kita dapat bersama-sama berkongsi apakah koleksi-koleksi yang kita menarik dalam Wakelet space nanti. Nanti saya akan tunjukkan. Sekarang secara teoretikal terlebih dahulu ya. Alamak, yang ni kecil lagi. Okay, sorry ya. So, bukan saja kita boleh kongsikan dengan kawan-kawan melalui Google Drive, Printmind, Microsoft Teams, OneNote, Google Classroom dan Twitter. Saya rasa ikon-ikon ini tak rasa terasing bagi kawan-kawan ataupun educator yang berada di sini kan. Okay. So, tadi saya cakap banyak dah. Selain dah Wakelet tu, apa yang kita boleh gunakan lagi? Sebenarnya kita boleh berintegrasikan Wakelet kita dengan apps-apps yang saya tunjuk di sini. Kita betul masukkan dengan OneDrive, masukkan dengan Screencastify. Apabila kita record kan, kita nak simpan, tak mau ganggu dengan Google Drive, kita boleh gunakan. Kita boleh integrate dengan Banci, kita boleh integrate dengan macam mana lagi, Grip, ataupun kita integrate dengan Switch. Ada banyak lagi apps, ada banyak lagi aplikasi yang belum kita boleh serukan sama-sama. Ini secara overview, ini secara gambaran keseluruhan. Agak bagi jika tenang dulu. Kalau bagi yang dah ada Wakelet-nya, kalau belum ada Wakelet, boleh kita daftarkan. Okay. So, yang kita di sini kita ada berapa Wakelet ni, dia ada banyak features. Contohnya, kita lebih kepada unsur collaboration. Kita nak collaborate dengan kawan lain. Mana tahu kita pada satu masa yang akan datang kita dapat collaborate dengan antara Malaysia dengan Indonesia ataupun kita ada dengan Russia dan sebagainya dengan kawan-kawan lain di satu dunia. Okay. Dan juga kita boleh copykan collection dia dan ingat kita ada immersive reader. Immersive reader ni dia akan translate apa-apa teks, apa-apa petikan yang terdapat dalam Wakelet dalam 60 bahasa yang berlainan. Kalau saya tak faham bahasa Inggeris tu apa, saya tukarkan bahasa Inggeris tu kepada bahasa Indonesia ataupun bahasa Malaysia. Dan kita boleh ambil collection, kita boleh ambilkan koleksi kita masuk dalam blog, masuk dalam website, masuk dalam LMS Learning Management System yang lain seperti Canvas dan Schoology. Okay. So, contoh-contohnya kita boleh guna bagaimana cikgu, kita sebagai cikgu kan, bagaimana kita cikgu boleh guna Wakelet ni. Okay, kita boleh jadikan dia sebagai classroom newsletter. Kita boleh jadikan dia sebagai satu tempat one stop center untuk mengutip resources, mengutip sumber-sumber yang kita ada. kita boleh buat lesson planning. Yang ini belum try lagi. Ada boleh kita mulakan dengan guna Wakelet untuk buat lesson planning. Dan kita boleh gunakan untuk mendokumentasikan apa yang kita lakukan. Contohnya hari ini kita boleh dokumentasikan, kita boleh snapshot apa yang tunjuk dalam slide ni, kita masuk dalam Wakelet koleksi kita. Dan kita boleh jadikan interactive lesson. Contohnya kita boleh buat projek berasaskan pembelajaran berasaskan project based learning. Kita boleh buat yang dalam tu, ataupun kita boleh buat projek mudah, projek ringkas, ataupun kita masukkan assignment, kita masuk dalam Wakelet, berkongsi dengan kawan-kawan ataupun berkongsi dengan pensyarah. Okay, so jadi saya tak mahu bongkarkan banyak sebab saya akan bagi sikit kepada Miss Ana untuk terangkan. Jadi habis cerita yang ni, kita take terus dengan secara ada hands-on sikit. Jadi berkata saja kan, tidak macam mana orang kata, tidak seronok. Okay, jom kita masukkan macam mana kita nak daftarkan. Saya tutup Facebook saya dulu. Okay, untuk maklumat tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, bagi yang hari pertama mengetahui Wakelet, sebenarnya kita boleh daftarkan akaun Wakelet secara free. Dengan kita masuk search engine kita typekan Wakelet. Okay, type saja Wakelet, dia akan keluar wakelet.com. Jadi di sini cikgu hanya sign up untuk Wakelet saja dengan menggunakan email akaun tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, dan dia akan masuk. Okay, sorry, saya akan share sekali lagi. Sekejap ya, masalah teknikal sekejap. Okey, saya selamat kembali kepada sini.
Welcome back.
Ada baru perasan.
Saya ulang balik, apabila boleh masuk Wakelet dalam search engine, dan kita akan dapati dia ada berada di dalam pencarian yang pertama. Jadi kita dah sign up untuk Wakelet, kita dah tekan je sign up untuk Wakelet. Okay, dan dia perlukan sign up dengan menggunakan Google account anda ataupun Microsoft account. Itu saja. Dan yang paling penting, dia adalah free. Puan dah sign up semua. Setelah tuan-tuan puan-puan dah sign up semua, ini contohnya koleksi Wakelet saya. Masih nampak kan? Masih nampak kan? Ini contoh koleksi Wakelet.
Masih.
Terima kasih. Saya sesat dalam hutan. Okey, yang ni merupakan koleksi saya. Yang ada di sini, tengok saya following 21 orang dan ada 120 followers. Saya yakin tak percaya Miss Ana ada lagi banyak followers dia, sebab dia merupakan pendidik yang tersohor di dunia. Dan ini merupakan bookmark, okey, yang saya ada. Yang telah masuk semua ni, macam mana kita nak start? Mula dengan satu koleksi. Jadi kita tekan je new collection. Ada dalam gudang tambah tu, kita tekan je. Saya akan tunjuk macam mana kita masukkan yang itu. Okey. Dia akan masuk dalam sini. Okey. Di sini kita ada macam mana kata, kita boleh paparan untuk kita nak macam mana? Nak urus koleksi kita. Contohnya kita boleh tambahkan gambar. Okey, saya katakan hands on gambar. Sama-sama lah, kalau yang tuan-tuan dan puan-puan ikut dengan menggunakan komputer, kita sama-sama buat. Contohnya saya letakkan ini sebagai contoh, masukkan gambar. Okey, dan dia bergantung kepada kelajuan internet.
Okey, contohnya ini merupakan
Speculate check yang telah dilaksanakan sebelum tu, dan di sini kita ada full power image, kita boleh pilih ikut kesesuaian asal kita buat, dan di sini kita perlu masukkan title.
contohnya
Hari ini kita perkongsian, kita masukkan perkongsian, okey, dan untuk merupakan tuan-tuan perempuan dia merupakan
Ini maknanya gimana ini?
secara otomatiknya dia akan simpan sendiri dalam database. Jadi tuan-tuan perempuan tak payah cari butang share, butang save, butang simpan tu tak payah cari. Kokolah ada tuan-tuan perempuan nak tanya di mana kita nak cari butang simpan. Tak ada. Dia akan save secara otomatik. Jadi yang masuk yang ni, okey, kita ada butang tambah. Bila kita tekan saja, dia tengok nampak dah di sini dia ada IL. Kita boleh sharekan teks, kita masukkan teks. YouTube kita sekiranya tuan-tuan perempuan ada channel sendiri, channel YouTube sendiri boleh masukkan tweets, bookmarks, image, upload PDF, Google Drive kita, apa yang barang yang terdapat dalam Google Drive, OneDrive, dan yang ni merupakan versi MCO sewaktu pandemik COVID-19. Fabric dia berkolaborasi dengan Wakelet. Masukkan di sini, kita boleh kongsikan. Dia akan masukkan satu barang, satu benda, contoh bagi image.
contohnya saya nak masukkan
senang.
bagi
Okey,
image yang
image.
senang. Image.
Jadi saya masukkan image. Okey, image tentang Hari Malaysia untuk
Hari Malaysia untuk maklumat tuan-tuan perempuan.
kemarin merupakan Hari Malaysia bagi Malaysia, itu birthday Malaysia. Okay, Miss Anna, yesterday was my country
birthday.
my country. Okay, so
kita ada
benda-benda ni. Ini merupakan poster, kita boleh bacakan ataupun kita masukkan teks.
Ya,
Thank you. Okay, kita boleh masukkan title, contohnya hari Malaysia. Okay, yesterday was the birthday Malaysia, and yesterday we were day, but today we start working back. Jadi kita boleh masukkan dan kita set,
dia akan jadi sebegini.
dan di sini kita boleh change grill, wheel dan board. Itu ikut kita rasa tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Ya, saya punya komputer dah lag. Okey, dia akan jadi sebegini. Kalau tuan-tuan rasa tak sesuai, kita boleh ubahkan ikut kesesuaian kita. Okey?
Dia akan jadi sebegini.
Dan di sini saya nak hilangkan ni.
Di sini kita ada butang private.
Bila butang private, public dan unlisted. Bila biasalah
seperti yang bahas dalam
internet kan. Public, kita semua orang boleh tengok. Unlisted,
orang boleh tengok.
hanya tuan-tuan share dengan orang tu. Private, only you can see the collection. Okay, itu
Only
saja.
you can see.
habis saja.
Dan
Kita boleh tekan dan
maksudnya koleksi dah selesai. Dan untuk maklumat tuan-tuan perempuan, di sini Wakelet tak ada nyatakan berapa koleksi kita, berapa banyak koleksi kita boleh buat. Tak ada. Dia tak bagi tahu lagi. Dia tak nyata macam tu pun. Jadi boleh kita assume dia bagi unlimited. Okey? Jadi ini contohnya saya buat untuk simpan sijil apa yang perkataan, apa lepas dokumentasi apa yang telah buat, saya simpan di sini. Jadi tak mengganggu storage komputer saya. Okey, saya rasa saya kongsi sampai sini. Saya pas komputer ke Miss Anna. Miss Anna, are you there?
I'm here.
Yeah, Miss Anna, I have done my part, so I will pass to you, and I will enjoy your show. Okay. Alright, I pass the floor to you.
Jadi
Thank you, Miss Anna.
Okay.
Mbak sekali mbak pesawat langsung 3 jam.
Okay, so thank you, Cikgu, for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you.
Koleksinya keren-keren.
Terima kasih. Cikgu membasuh di Malaysia.
Okay, ini
adalah
kelas. Awesome, yep. Teacher. Bu Indah masih di sana?
Ya, bola presenternya udah ke Miss Ana ya, silakan.
Ini lanjut ke Mbak Ana ya? Atau belum Q&A?
Iya, nanti sekalian karena pertanyaannya sama ya. Ya,
Awesome. So,
Pak Bahar, halo. Pak Bahar.
Ya, halo.
Bagaimana, dilanjut atau buka kotak?
Lanjut saja topik yang sama, nggak apa-apa. Ya, lanjut saja, nanti di akhir baru ada Q&A.
Oke, silakan Bunda Sakri.
Okay, awesome. Kalau gitu, so I would like to give the next session to our next presentation, Miss Anna. Are you ready?
I think yes.
And it's yours.
Yeah, hello everyone. I haven't expected to start at this time, but
I just thought.
thank you. You too. But I'm absolutely.
But I'm absolutely sure that
you do. So
you do. So I'm so
so
excited, and I hope you can hear me well. And you can
it is
Yes, and you can imagine how during the is it okay now? Is it okay now?
Hi.
Yes, it's clear here. Go on, man.
yeah, everything is great. Awesome.
So
Wakelet
I
as a
just
great
want you to start
organizer.
thinking about
Even
Wakelet as a great organizer.
digital classroom,
and you can organize
digital
classroom,
school.
get
Yeah,
digital,
we say this especially
school.
during the
Yeah, we
remote.
do say these terms these days, especially during the remote learning or when it's
sharing my screen.
Okay.
So let me start sharing my screen. Okay, I just want to start
Or the screen one.
Okay, let me do this way. Okay, I'm sharing.
Okay, I'm sharing.
And can you see now my browser?
Yes.
Browser
Very
area.
beautiful. Yeah, your these are very beautiful picture.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Ashton, of the way how the
you
channel
had a great introduction
work,
of the way how the collection works,
what you can put inside of the collection. And on my part, I think it will be better to share with you with the ways how you can use Wakelet, and especially how you can collaborate in Wakelet. Your ideas, maybe you have
so you can write
questions
your ideas,
on,
maybe
or
you have questions on, or
again, any great ideas how well you can use Wakelet. At the very first part, I just want to start with the thing that there are two ways of how you can exactly share with your collection. You may start thinking about Wakelet collection as the part where you can collaborate with your students or with your colleagues or even you can use it as a collection of your own as for teacher. There are two ways of how you can share with it. Again, you can just share with your collection by clicking on share button, and it must be unlisted at least or public. These are three private settings. You are not able just to share with your collection, but you can collaborate.
In your collection. We have chosen the share feature. It means
share with
that you can
collection. You can
show your collection to others. With this collection, you can copy
The hyperlink is really amazing.
You
So
can
you
export as PDF, which is really amazing. So you can
and
create
fulfill your collection.
and
Save.
fulfill your collection with different resources.
And you
bookmark
have
can
been
saved,
showed what
and
bookmark
you have been showed what
link
bookmark is.
either
It
from
can
anywhere.
be a different link from
any of your collection that you want to share.
That is how I'm going to demonstrate my previous homemade presenter. You will probably share with his presentation. I'm going to share with collection of the resources because I've got lots of resources and videos that I made in English.
And also you can use the embed features. I wanted to say that you're great teachers, probably. Okay, so just let me know. Maybe you can share with which kind of
if anybody of you have a website,
maybe use
Google sites or maybe use Wix or Blogger or anything that
WordPress
where you can
where you bought your landing page or something like that. Do you have any in
a collection?
So
you can use the embed code.
You have great collection with usable resources like Wakelet
collection, and you can
several settings for embed collection and use all of these resources and PDF documents, OneDrive, or any document from your Google Drive disk,
and Google Drive disk. And
also, there
is the great integration with
create
and you can
video instruction for your students.
Video instruction for your students or colleagues
and provide like video tutorial. There's so many great
you
copy this
can
choose
use and make in Wakelet.
This is amazing.
So your website,
I've done it.
Last time when I production slide about me that haven't produced myself. But I am great. I'm so sorry that I haven't introduced myself. I just female lady, I'm sorry, I just so that's amazing, and also our own Wakelet, which is absolutely amazing place where I can collect all my pages, Facebook. So many great ways to share collection. This integration, the first share straight away. These integrations are really helpful. So if I can collection and see all of the bookmarks that are in my collection. Familiar with amazing views. So Padlet isn't free at all. They're only that's it. And you have to pay for the rest of the free boards. With the added collection over there. And if you click the change layout feature and then mood board,
everything can be categorized, and it's pretty familiar to Padlet, isn't it?
I think it is. So you
I
just
think it is.
in
So you just
this
we go
collection,
back to media group because it's
I prefer this view.
so you can create beautiful storytelling, storytelling
Students,
collections
how
for
exactly I
students, and
use
I have put so many ways.
make share with your collection.
You
can also not
You can
only
collaborate
share,
and
just
you
share with your
click
collection, but
you
can
click on
collaborate
buy,
on Waycode. And this is another area where
and
you
it
buy,
uses
and it
with that
means that you can invite other again students
work
without
with you
having
in the
a
real
common
time,
Waycode. They can. They're able
even
to
collaborate, so you can work on the same project
to how it works. So you
together.
later
All devices that
Use the QR, send the QR code, or you can open it. Here we are. They're just in your collection because Waypoint are able on an Apple Store and Google Play Market. You can just download it. One feature
believe me
that
it's
enough.
enough.
Just believe me that it's enough things to do
Even from your mobile device, some
amazing.
It's amazing. You can just copy the code and
they
invite
put, for
people to your collection. If they put, for instance, their account, yeah,
Now I will show you stereo.
and after that, I will show you the
If you don't,
later.
if you want to
And
change the
after
privacy
that,
setting,
voila, there is
so
your
you don't
collection.
want that
Setting, so
people
you
get
don't want
into
that
your
people
collection,
get
you can
into your
generate
collection. You
the
can
link and
generate
code.
your link and code.
And this is enough to
another
invite
great
people
feature about privacy.
by
You can also
email
invite people by email
Or just the name. For instance, these people are in my it's like in Instagram,
you know that it's
and
like in
on
Instagram and on Twitter.
people.
Some
Okay, it's a
follow
managed
you,
contributor.
for other people. If you give me a follow, I would absolutely love that.
A contributor in this collection.
A contributor in this collection.
because I just want to share with it. And also you've got the space members, and the space, as I said, it's the latest features there. And so you can manage contributors. If we have a look on the invite contributor, there are two settings. You can invite people to contribute in your collection, but they may only be able to add some bookmarks. And another settings, it's administrator. Administrators are able to
delete any item, even not of their own. So
as
if you want to
got
so
this is my collection, and also I just want the latest updates. So this is more than 200 codes. The only space here and ways. Teachers of, for instance, there is an award, the Teacher of the Year. Can let's Visitors can see hear the sound, so you can hear me. That's great. I can hear the sound, so you can hear me. That's great. So, see that there's
One time and they that I put one on my public page. Like my public page. And here is my handle. And so follow. So if you use this handle, and as I mentioned, you can follow me. And as I mentioned, I absolutely love this. And everybody who I've shared with my profile over there, you see, you can use this page as a landing page with your project, with all the public collections. And by the way, all of the collections. And by the way, all the public collections.
And as you see, I put one on your public account with which you can share their
only public collections. So you can also set the social media links over there. You can set your bio over there. So, and as I mentioned, you can share with your profile or if it's your public followers,
people can find you and people get
Tadi diklik apa kakak?
Apa tuh bisa sana? Tadi diklik apa? Kok hilang ini miliknya ya ini? Gasang nih candaan ini. Klik apa? Ayo. Saya hilang miliknya itu. Tadi diklik apa tuh? Kelas. Dah gue.
Hello, Cookies. Hey. That's how it works, where I was mentioned. This postcard I got from Wakelet because, you know, I've got a small history with Wakelet and with Flipgrid, of course, because I have translated ebook in Russian for educators. So whenever I tell about Wakelet in Russian for my Russian peers. I always share with this ebook if they can't find it. But actually, all the resources you may find on homepage of Wakelet. Yeah, I run reading projects on Flipgrid. If you like reading, lots of sessions. You see that on Flipgrid, I was here. Yes, it's like the area of Discovery Library. Now it's Discovery. And so there's
so many things. Student Voice Ambassador.
Wakelet Student Ambassador Program. There is a special program for students. And if you might be interested in any of this, I can provide you another live tutorial. I'm planning it this week, and I'm going to send the form. If there are going to be around 50 participants, I'm sorry, I just clicked not onto the right place. So you can see that I'm talking about Wakelet a lot, and there were so many sessions. And also, it was Wakelet Community Week, and I was the only teacher from Russia, but it was, you see this one as, this is the whole collection. Each collection can be put into another collection. Do you know like Matryoshka works? Yeah, one collection into another collection. So it was on the 2nd of June. I'm in Tisha Poncho. She's an amazing educator from Texas. We performed on Wakelet about collaboration. And let me start with talking how else you can use Wakelet to collaborate with your students. For example, you can create digital portfolios for your students. Check this space out. So in this space, you can see that there are the portfolios of my students. And this is Arena. We are 3 years in a row. And you see that I've got mixtape collection of her video responses from Wakelet, from Flipgrid. I've pasted into her digital portfolio. She learns 2 languages, and this is our Mystery Sky with Spain. This is Vietnam. This is Thailand. This is Shoots and Roots project with Jane Goodall, and this is archaeologies from Bristol. It's in England, and you see, this is social problem project, international project. Again, Vietnam, India. We are talking about Russia. We've got great project, Pakistan, and this is our box exchange project with Croatia. This is with Japan. This is our Halloween party, and this is the Beatles project, and this is Microsoft Global Learning Connection. Our class was in this recap video for 3 times from Russia, so we are so proud of it. You see that we are in articles. So this is her digital portfolio. You can create digital portfolio of your class, and you can put it into this Wakelet. At the end of the study year, all you need is just to share with this collection with your parents, and so that's how they're going to see how she's improving her level of English or any subject that she learns. Yes, so this is amazing, absolutely amazing. Also, what is great to we've got project-based learning activity, different space. So I am and my students, we collaborate in different projects, and Wakelet is the best platform where the students can collaborate together. So even if your students don't have any Wakelet account, they can work in this project, and they can even create their sub-collections in your collection. This is an amazing feature, especially if you work online. And this project was made for a teacher from Australia. She said, "Hey Anna, we want to know more about history of Russia," and they were interested in some revolutionary periods. I said, "Okay, I'm not a history teacher, but anyway, it is amazing to share with our personal experience, not just Wikipedia, yeah, that is We made this great collection. We made, you see that this is another collection which was integrated into this collection by my student.
If I click on this collection, I'm going to be brought to your collection. You see,
It sounds like crazy, but it's absolutely amazing. So World War the First, and here we go. This is the story of my student, that she has found the resources. She had a paste, and this is like a story. You see, she used pictures. She put them into right direction. You can change those bookmarks, the order. The order can be changed, and this is amazing. This is about Joseph Stalin and about many things. You see that's how we collaborate with my students. We also made and great Flipgrid videos, and also we use presentations, and also you can paste up. They also made Sway of beautiful presentation about the history of Russia, and we presented all of these and shared this collection with the class from Australia. It's amazing. Another great project, which is, I'm sorry, I just went out of this. I want to move back. And let's go to our PBL space. Another project, which is about our local area.
I'm from the north of Russia.
And Russia is big, so we live at the edge
of the earth.
Our area is called like that. And in this project, my students and I, we were working. You see, here's the name. There's a description area. And there, my students' works, they added all of these marks. And this is a very beautiful, you see that, Yamal Peninsula, Russia. And interesting facts about Yamal. This is a collection of my students, the only one, Alice. So she created this by herself without having an account. You see, this is not Santa Claus, but in Yamal we call him the other way. Yeah, but this is like Santa Claus. Okay. So this is our tourist attractions, and yeah, I love this project. I've got even the video of how me and my family, we tried the reindeer ride. It was really amazing. So that's how it works. That's how it looks. That's how you can collaborate with your students. Another great project, it's Japan and Russia box exchange. Yeah, we had this experience. It was absolutely amazing. In this collection, students from Japan shared with their amazing facts about Russia that they found, and we shared with amazing facts about Japan that we found. So, and our students, they create collection. Inside
of our collection. Yeah.
So you can contribute
with another
collection. You see, it looks really topic where our students shared with their feelings about having the things in box from Japan, as well as my students shared. They asked, "Oh, what's this and what's that?" Because we've got really different things, different countries, and yeah, that's how it looks. The next project is this is my favorite. Russian culture. We usually travel around the world without leaving our classroom. And we have sessions with students from different countries, and we always share with the culture of our country, as well as the other countries, the other students, they share with theirs. You see, there's the collection of accordion. This is a musical instrument. These are all the collections of my students. So to collaborate in the same project with your students, the Wakelet collection is really easy. Matryoshka, this is the whole collection about Matryoshka doll. And this is so fantastic when you share with it and with the other class, or even if you just want to make this project happen with your students. This is absolutely fantastic. And you see this symbol. Do you know what is it, by the way? Are you familiar with immersive reader? So this is immersive reader. And here we are talking about some accessibility and inclusion. So, for instance, immersive reader, and you can translate any text in 60-something languages, 63 languages, 65 now. You can, you see this feature, you can play. I'm not sure can you hear it or not, but it's allowed. You can also use the voice settings like female or male. So because it can be more personalized, for instance, you are better to get the information if it's male voice or female. You can even set the voice speed. You see how it works. And if, for example, if your children are with dyslexia, you know, they can't read well. So you can use the settings in this area. For instance, you can set the reading preferences, and it can be picture dictionary here. You can play it into. We turn on this feature. Let me go out.
Translation by each word or by the translate the whole document. Let's see how it works. So click and for example your students or even parents. For example, there are parents from another country who don't know the language in which you teach. Yeah, you teach others. So you use immersive reader, you send them their invitation letter, and they can use immersive reader. They can listen to it. They can get the translation if you choose the language, and then they can see it. And it works really great with dyslexic children. To use the certain parts of speech or syllables. Again, for primary learners, this is the best. You can use the nouns, you can use the verbs, they're all in different colors, and adverbs, and you can use the adjectives if you teach adverbs, and it is really amazing if you teach languages. Yeah, so you can help your children, your students, to get this information, and also you can use the show lady feature. Isn't it fantastic? So come on, people, join our collection. Don't be shy. You can ask any questions. You can add any item. Just give it a try. Just give it a try. If you don't have any account in Wakelet, you're going to be asked to enter your name. Just let's have a look how it works from can you see it? I've used the incognito feature. It means that I'm demonstrating as your students without any account, so your colleagues will see this link to your collection. So anonymous koala, I don't want it to be anonymous koala. I ask my students to provide their real names. Like I'm going to be Anna, and I just edit. Here you are, I'm about to get into the collection. Can you see it? Yes, and I'm able to add this collection. It means that I don't have any account here. I just click the Add Collection button.
Hello, Anna.
Yes.
It's not so.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Really awesome that you do.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's really awesome that you told me that. So I'm going to stop sharing. I'm sorry. Let me use
which screen I should use. Like
you're not even here at work. So, this is my favorite. Yeah, so this is my favorite pictures. So you can collaborate with your students live. Yeah, in real time. And this is how it works. Oh, you can see the notification that Charlie has added to note. Oh, a view tell you that. Okay, I can go up to them, but I think it's something late.
Are there the same options as mine?
Are
Do you
there the
have
same
any?
options as mine? Do you
Oh,
have
this is sort of intrigue.
Oh, this is like sort of intrigue. You know, any class.
Come on, you see that I can
Come
see
on,
how many
you see that
students or colleagues are working in the same space and the
or colleagues are
same
working in the
collection.
same
I mean,
space and the same collection.
about what?
Do you have any classroom action research
Yes, it
about Wakelet? Classroom research. It's like with different languages.
Another beautiful ladies here. And what else you want? I love Wakelet for making brainstorm. Say, hey, how many pictures in the world in numbers or something like this? Can you explain to that? Do you have any course collection research about what? To this event, so I know that many of the file that are shared with me Anna was the only wake-colored browser. I don't face it, but I provide live webinar about wake-colored. If you have more spaces, as I still like wake-colored. So, yeah, wake-colored is very interesting. Just give it a try. And if you want to, like, to know more about it, Twitter or even wake-colored.
Or even ambassador. Everything is possible. Why not? So, just fulfill this form about the webinar. Share by yourself. Want to share by yourself? Okay. I'm going to share with this collection with you in the chat. And
So let me send it.
Hello, Miss Anna.
Yes.
Yeah, it's 9:30. It's 9:30 now, and it's the Q&A time. Are you still presenting?
No,
Or maybe
I'm
we
not.
can move to the question and answer session now.
No, that's I'm done.
Okay, great. So, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Great. Thank you so much for your amazing presentation. You've got stunning collection. I'm honestly so stunned with your works. By the way, I just want to know, how have you been working on your Wakelet?
Okay, last year in summer, I have translated the ebook of Wakelet in Russian. So, but if you mean projects, I think we work on projects about 3 months in a row, maybe 4 months. If about Wakelet, yes, so I think 1 year and a half. Less, 1 year and 3 months.
Well, that's amazing. In just a short time, you've been working so hard for that. You're so dedicated, and it's so resourceful. Okay, so Chigu, are you still there? Chigu Gohko?
Yes, I'm still here.
Awesome. So it's the Q&A time, and we've got some questions here. Jadi teman-teman partisipan, Bapak Ibu, kalau ada pertanyaan mungkin bisa di-post di Q&A atau bisa langsung di-unmute saja speakernya ya, kemudian mic-nya, kemudian disampaikan ke entah ke Mbak Anna, Miss Anna atau
Ibu Sari.
Ya.
Ya, minta maaf karena kita menggunakan room Webex event meeting. Jadi attendees itu partisipan tidak bisa mengaktifkan sendiri mikrofonnya. Jadi nanti Bunda Satri silahkan lihat di room attendees, ada yang raise hand, silahkan disebut namanya, nanti saya yang mengaktifkan mikrofonnya.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry. Mungkin saya mulai dari yang ini aja di chat ya.
Ya,
ini sudah ada beberapa pertanyaan.
Yang di room attendee dulu mungkin yang bisa diberikan kesempatan untuk bertanya.
Oke.
Iya.
Attendees berarti di chat ya?
Di partisipan.
Di partisipan. Oke. Wait. Ini ada yang angkat tangan nggak ini? Saya lihat belum ada.
Yang raise hand ada Bapak Mujianto, ada Ibu Ati Medita, Bapak Sudarmon. Ya, silahkan disebut namanya satu, nanti saya aktifkan mikrofonnya.
Sebentar. Jadi yang dulu siapa ya? Ini saya lihat di partisipan sebentar. Saya masih. Oke, wait.
Ya, ada Ibu Heni. Ibu Heni Frederika ya.
Oke.
Selamat malam Ibu Heni.
Ya, selamat malam ya.
Ya, silakan. Iya, silakan Ibu, ada moderatornya, silakan.
Iya, thank you. Can I speak now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mbak Indah, also Mbak Satri. Yes. I'm going to give a question to Miss Anna. Yes. Okay. It's very lovely and wonderful presentation. So I do really curious deeply in deeply of my heart, because to be honest, this is just the first time I hear the Wakelet. So I don't know exactly, but is it true that Wakelet is an application, or Wakelet is an LMS, or so? How can, as a teacher, how can I use optimize the Wakelet for my classroom learning? And then if the student has done a project, let's say project-based learning, for example, then where do the student save the task? Is it possible they save also in, where is it? I don't know. Normally we have a OneDrive or cloud, but I don't know. Is it possible we can use this application, this Wakelet, or how? I don't know. So, but that's really interesting. But I would like to know honestly, deeply about the using of Wakelet. Okay, thank you. Thank you
for your great question.
Yes, thank you, Linda.
Yes. So you know what is another benefit of Wakelet? Because I can use that in the view of like Padlet works and everything. Even when you use your tag feature, you can use your with the text. You can use the hyperlink
I like it. Yeah, I'm not sure how to express it. Yeah, it's a hyperlink. I'm not sure how to express it. Like on the website, yeah, everything can be brought to everything, and there is no limit of like in cloud services, as you mentioned, Google Drive. I don't want to pay for every cloud service which I use, because I've got lots of information. So the benefit of using Wakelet is that it's limitless. So every task that you see, I've demonstrated that time will work. Works right now in your collection. Everything is in the information, and there is no limit that you paste into each collection. There is no There is no limit of space. As a teacher, you can use it in so many ways. I shared with PBL, I shared with courses. I've got my grammar space. I've got my idea space. I've got my English school to school place where I can use that as a digital collection, my parents only, where I can provide newsletters. Where I can create a PLN research with my colleagues. I've read in the comments that someone wrote that I'm afraid to use Wakelet because everybody will see it. How? I just shared with one collection with you. With the collection, you are very welcome to. And I invited you. And nobody can get into your collection unless you shared with it. So I shared with the link.
And that's how you got into my collection, no other way. But also, you've got the 3 of each of your collection. And if you have chosen public, privacy, public, yep. So this collection is going to be seen nowhere
only on your public profile, nowhere else.
So in case when you shared with your public profile, so as I've done here, because in my public profile, I'm okay that you will see this collection because I'm generously sharing with
it's not my personal
students' names, or you see that I haven't shared with you with our some PBL collection because I can't, because there's a Flipgrid video and there's some other personal information of my students
that I'm not
share with everyone. So these privacy settings, your collection, your public profile is going to be seen. You can
share with
find me, you can go.
If you give me a follow,
but you need to share.
But you need to share.
So you can create where your students can
newsletters. You can create a place where your students can collaborate. You can create
just if your students under more than 13 years old, they're older. So they can have their personal accounts, and you can divide them into spaces. So for instance, you go to space of class 7B or any other class, you invite your students to the space,
and
all of the collection with tasks, with newsletters, with everything that you want to see. Yeah, it's sort of LMS, but in LMS, I know that you can get them. You can use the Google form. Okay. So you can set the application, the task, so your students will pass through the task. You get the information, but it can be done exactly on Wakelet with the help of different platforms and resources.
All right. Wow, it's so amazing. Yeah? I'm really curious to do and then to work and to make the most of the Wakelet. So, is it possible that I will have a connection? I will ask you later on. I will touch you in YouTube or in your channel, in your Instagram. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to do it soon after this. Yes.
So happy to hear. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Mbak Indah, Satri. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Mbak Heni mungkin udah bisa stop raising hand. Ya.
Iya. Okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay. How about Pak Mujianto? Pak Mujianto, Pak Sudarmon, mana lagi ya? Next question, Pak
Mujianto.
Pak Sumarjianto, Bu.
Oh, Pak Sumarjianto. Okay.
Silakan, Bapak.
Okay. Hello, Miss Anna.
Hi.
Good evening. In my place, the 10:40 right now from east of Indonesia. I see this website or this applications. It's like social media maybe, and then we can share the contents, and then our students or our friends in Wakelet, they can see our content in Wakelet. I just want to ask you that if we share the videos or the PDF file, our students can directly download it in our Wakelet.
So Cam, it's a good question. Actually, when they click on the PDF, it's going to be open, and if the privacy, I know that, for instance, I think they can their devices, but
they're able to download it to their devices.
Can see it, they can view it. Also, you can set the privacy of your collection, so people are able to copy this collection. I know about this 100%. And also, you can use PDF, download it from the hyperlink from
Google Drive or OneDrive.
Okay.
And if the settings are okay,
but also you can, of course,
so you can Google Drive or OneDrive, and people can download it.
think they are able to download
even if it's not from the cloud.
even if it's not from the cloud. And that's pretty easy for them to make it happen.
The format mustn't be really big. So you can't upload the unit maybe from your
So you
class.
can upload the unit, maybe
Yes, so big book.
The whole PDF not possible. But when you use Google Drive or OneDrive,
when you use Google Drive or
and you share this, the whole
you
book,
share
I use
this,
it
the whole book. I use
because
it
all
really
of my
often
students, they
because
bought their
all of
personal
my students, they bought
courses.
their personal
And I
collections
don't
with
need to
all
create it once again.
And I don't need to create it once
just
again and
copy
once
this
again. I just copy this collection and upgrade
So
for
they know
each
where
of
to
my
find
students
me,
individually. So they know where to find
upload
and you can
even if you
upload
use
them
Google Drive or OneDrive, so it
from your
works
Google
really
Drive or OneDrive, so it works really
amazing. So, but if just feature,
PDF, you've chosen this feature.
it mustn't be really big, not heavy.
Not heavy.
Okay, Wakelet application exists in I see the place Wakelet application exists in the Play Store. Is it different from we can access from the website?
You mean from mobile device like app?
From mobile device like app?
In Play Store or App Store, I
exist
see
in the Play Store.
my phone exists in the Play Store. Is it
The
different?
spaces
Access from the
feature that
website?
you saw, like you even
Yes, on website.
no, the bug, the pretty
the bar that I have because my collection hasn't found
yes, spaces
feature and sometimes it happens in the global
not
space.
available
Yeah,
right now
spaces
on
are
mobile
not available
devices.
right now on mobile devices.
getting
but
better
it's
because
getting
I
better
like this
because I
team,
like this team
because I listen to me as a teacher because I always say, hey, this it doesn't
I need that feature.
this isn't working right now. So and they listen, they upgrade it. And in future, the space devices as well.
Available on mobile devices as well.
Well, the other features, I think everything works the same way, except that